Ever pondered why your food ends up charred while frying? It's a common scenario, and it's not always about the heat. Frying food without burning it is an art that requires precision, patience, and a few smart tricks. Imagine standing by the stove, your favorite tune playing in the background, the sizzle of food in the pan, and that mouth-watering aroma wafting through the kitchen. It's almost therapeutic, isn't it? But then, there's that one time when you look away for a moment only to find your food turned from golden brown to a sad burnt black. We all have been there. So, what's the secret to perfectly fried food? It's all about understanding the science of frying and following a few simple, easy steps. First things first, choosing the right oil is crucial. Not every oil is suitable for frying. High smoke point oils like canola, avocado, and peanut oil are your best bet. They can withstand high temperatures without smoking or burning, ensuring your food doesn't get burnt. Next, maintaining the right temperature is key. A kitchen thermometer can be a great ally here. For most frying, the sweet spot is around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Too hot and your food will burn on the outside while remaining raw inside. Too cool and your food will absorb too much oil, becoming greasy and unappetizing. Now onto the food. Always pat your food dry before frying. Water and oil are not the best of friends, and moisture can cause the oil to splatter, leading to uneven cooking and potential burns. The size of the food matters as well. Smaller, evenly cut pieces will cook more uniformly and are less likely to burn. And finally, don't overcrowd the pan. Overcrowding lowers the oil's temperature, resulting in soggy, undercooked food. Give your food some space to breathe and achieve that golden, crispy perfection. So, to recap, the secret to frying without burning food is choosing the right oil with a high smoke point, maintaining the ideal frying temperature, patting your food dry before frying, cutting your food into smaller, even sizes, not overcrowding the pan. Master these steps and you'll be on your way to achieving that perfect golden brown finish every time. Remember, frying is an art. With a bit of practice and these handy tips, you'll be creating fried masterpieces in no time. So go ahead, don your apron and conquer the kitchen. The world of perfect frying awaits you.